Hello friend, welcome back. From to this video, we'll start our React journey. I hope you will like it very much. So first of all, I want to create one of the React application. So if you want to create one of the React application, you have to go to that React.js official website as a reactjs.org, and from here if you go to the documents, and also there is another menu as a create a new React app. If you click it on here, right now there have some of the instructions, like there have some of the command line for create one of the React application as a npx create React app, and then that will be your project name. So before create one of the React project, make that sure you install that Node.js. So Node.js is an open source cross-platform backend JavaScript runtime environment. So this environment will support you a lot. So make that sure you go to that simply nodejs.org, and from here there is a recommended a most user. So you can download it, rather than you can also download the current version. So I will recommend it to download that recommended for most users. Simply click it on here. It will be download one of the exe file, and just that will be very easy one of the process. You have to click onto the exe file, and then the next process, then that will be installed in your system perfectly. After you install it, if you want to check it, you can check it with your command prompt. If you run your command prompt, and into this command prompt, after that install that Node.js is perfectly installed or not. If you want to check it, simply run with the node and then the -v. If you click as enter, now you can see right now I am using that version as a 16.13.0. That means when you install that Node.js perfectly, then you are able to access this version name, rather than that will be not display. Okay, so make that sure you download this Node.js server and install it in your system. Great. And now I want to create one of the React app. So for creating that React app, into the desktop I have created one of the folder as a React. So whatever the name actually you choose, just simply create one of the folder, and into this folder area here I want to create one of the React new application. So if you want to create it, simply I want to run with the cmd with the command prompt, and that is, you can see that is appropriate position in my desktop. I have created one of the folder as a React. So here I want to install, that means I want to create one of the React project. Simply I want to copy this code. I copy it, and now in particular this folder area to paste it. So that will be the npx create React app and then my app. So my app will be your project name. What type of project actually you want to create, you can name it as per your demand. So right now I name it as a new. Okay, so it will be create one of the project folder as a new. Okay, in here it will be created one of the project folder. So now after that, if you click as a enter and make that sure you connected with the internet, and it's now downloaded all that file from to the internet, and it will be created one of the project in here. So it may take little time, and also here you can see it's now installing that React DOM and then React script. Okay, it may take little time. Better when it will be done, then I'll come back again. Here you can see, friend, our React project is now successfully created. Okay, you can see that I have created our project name as a new, and for the reasons it's now created one of the folder as a new. And after that, it's now suggested some of the things like a cd and the new. That means a change directory to the new. Okay, here it's I want to redirect it to our this folder as a new folder. If you want to redirect it to this folder, then you have to write down as a cd. That means the change directory, and I want to go to our new folder. Now click as a enter. Now you can see it's now become changed. Now before that is actually into the React folder. Now we are redirected to the React and then the new folder. Okay, and into this new folder now we have to run as npm start. So if you make that as npm start, now our React server will be running. Click as a enter. Now it will be start to run our development server. So our Chrome or default browser will be run, and our React project will be started. So it may take little time. And now you can see it's automatically will be run our this port as a localhost 3000. Okay, so into this localhost 3000, our React project will be start. You can see our React project is now successfully running. Okay, so our project is now running. That is a simple procedure you have to do. Simply run it, change the directory, and after that npm starts. Right now our server is now running. You can see that is our port is default as a localhost 3000. So now it's running into the localhost 3000. Okay, so for the first time I want to take out this folder in our, for now I want to use that our Visual Studio Code editor. So I want to import this folder. Simply click as a file, now click as open folder, and into this desktop I have created another folder as a React. I simply select this folder, now click as a select folder. Now you can see our folder is now successfully loaded. Okay, so that is all that default file. So better in our next video, I want to discuss about this file structure, how that React file structure actually works. So in our next video, I will discuss about that things with you with the live example. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.